ripple effect of serving one person, loving one person, helping their life be better in whatever small way we can. We're not making giant leaps. We're serving people one at a time. We're loving people in small incremental ways. A lot of times people feel overwhelmed by like, oh my gosh, I've got this giant ship at sea and I need a new ship. Everything needs to be new. This is all we have to fix everything. And it's like, no. Let's fix things one day at a time. And over the course of a period of time where we're not, we didn't bring the ship into dry dock and stop doing business for a year. I mean, you can't do that. You've got to do your daily job. A business has to function. So what we do is we pick small, bite-sized tasks, 2-week intervals. We accomplish things, make a difference in these small little ways. And then over the course of a few months, we've got significant improvements, significant challenge, but we don't have this dramatic, painful switch. Everybody's done that where you've switched something out and everything's, there's a fire, there's people running around trying to figure out what's going on. There's so many things that changed. It's like, no, there's this incremental type change, slow, steady, progressive improvements that aren't disruptive to the business. You can really make enormous, beautiful changes over a period of time, and nobody really notices this big dramatic shift where it's like, oh, it was horrible on this day, and now it's the new system. It's like, no, hey, we look back over 3 months, and we've got this beautiful set of changes that have been slowly implemented, incrementally implemented, and now you're that ship at sea. You never brought it into dry dock, but you've got a much better system. It's modern. You never lost focus of the people who you needed to bring through on that process, and love and serve them along the way, so that you didn't, for the sake of change, you burnt everybody out. You lost everybody. That's important to always keep that focus.